if the function f be defined by f of x plus y is equals to f of x plus f of y for every real x and y, then prove that f is continuous or discontinuous at every x and y. Now, how do we prove that if the function have this relation and the function is continuous or discontinuous? Firstly, we take that the function's relation and take the value x equals to y. Firstly, we take that what type of a function we have, okay, by this relation, because if we have only this relation, we don't know about the function. So first we take that x equals to y is equals to 0, then it is f of 0 is equals to 0, then the functions is 0 at the point 0. Let us take y is equals to minus of x, then this gives that f of x minus x is equals to f0, and f0 we know that 0, f of x plus f of minus x, which is equals to f of minus of x is equals to minus of f of x, that is the function is odd function. Now how we have to prove that the function is continuous or not? So for this x equals to a, we have to take x equals to a, then f of a plus h is equals to f of a plus f of h. Now we know f of a minus h is equals to f of a plus f of minus of h, and we know that the function is odd, then minus of h is equals to minus of f of h. Taking limit s tending to 0, we get that f of a plus h, which is equals to f of a plus limit s tending to 0 f of h, and f of a minus limit s tending to 0 f of h, right? For this, now we know that we suppose that f of h is equals to 0, the function's limit at h tending to 0, it is 0. Now so becomes 1 and 2 becomes f of a plus h is equals to f of a minus h is equals to f of a, that is the function is continuous at x equals to a. This is the continuity of functions at the point a definition of this. So this makes that limit of s tending to 0 f of h is equals to 0 and is equals to f of 0. So the function is continuous at everywhere.